everybody. Welcome to Mrs. Alefante's virtual classroom, where science learning is fun.
Hi everybody, this is Ivy Alefante again of Science Simply Explained. Welcome back to our channel. This is a new channel, so please support this so I can support more students better. For this video, we are going to show how to do this comparing carbon loads lab, and it is the lab for our earth science students. A lot of students requested because number one, they don't have dyes, and number two, they said that the procedures are really confusing for them. So this video will just be a guide for you. Definitely, it is recommended that you do this on your own so that you will have a first-hand experience on how to complete this carbon loads lab, especially graphing and answering the questions. So like I said, this is just a guide. So for those who said that you don't have dyes, there is a solution for you. You can go online and type Rolla Dice. It's an online random dice player, and you can definitely use it to use as dice. So what you will do is just simply click on this page and then it will roll it for you. Okay, and then here is our instruction on how to do this. So I'm just gonna go directly to this roll or go to table. There are two parts, one for the pre-industrial revolution and for today. So the way it works is you are going to start here in air, and then you are going to roll the dice, and if the number says 1 to 2, you're going to stay in air, and then 3 to 4, you're going to move to ocean, and then 5 to 6, you're going to move to plants. And then one cycle is when you go back to air. That is one complete cycle. And then if you go back to air, you are going to tally it to the next cycle. So for example, so we're going to start here air, and then I'm going to roll the dice here. And it says 5, so I'm going to plants. So since we started in air, we're going to tally it as 1. Okay? And then we are going to, it says 5 here, and then we're going to go to plants. So you are going to tally plants 1. All right, so from plants, you are going to roll it again, and it says 5, and it says 5 is soil stores. So you are going to go to soil stores and tally that one. And then says 6, so from soil here it says 6. It says we have to go to fossil fuels, and so we will tally fossil fuels. All right, and then so from fossil fuels, we're gonna roll this dice, and it says 6. So if it says 6, it is air. So that means we went back to air, and this will be our first tally for the second cycle. So we just completed one cycle. If the dice says go back to air, and that will complete your first cycle, and then that tally will be for second cycle air. Okay, let's do it one more time. We're still in the pre-industrial revolution. So it says 3, so we started air. 3, it's ocean, so we're gonna put 1 here for ocean for our second cycle. And then we have 1, so it says we are going to stay, so that means we will put 2 tally marks for ocean. And then next 4, that means air, so we went back to air. That means we finished our cycle. So there is your second cycle. So I'm just going, third cycle. So yeah, that's how you do it until you finish everything right here. So for one complete cycle, there are 5 sets here. And then, there are 3 sets. So you're going to do 3 sets of cycle until you finish everything. And then you are going to total it. Like how many airs do you have here? How many plants for your tally marks? And like that. So just for example, we get here 5. This is just an example. So we say 5, we get 6 here, we get 3, we get 2, we get 3, and we get 4 here. Just an example, right? So you're going to do the same thing for today. All right, so we are going to graph our results. So here it says your y-axis should be the number of tally marks and your x-axis are the different carbon loads. So, all right, so here will be your number of tally marks. And then here will be your carbon loads. So for example, this one will be air. And then you can do plants, animals, soil, and then we have ocean. And then here will be your numbers. Say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's stop at 7. So here we have 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just going to follow that number according to this order. So we have here, so we're just going to graph this. So we have air is 5, like that. And it's really hard to write with a mouse, so you can do that. And then plants is 6. I have here animals 3. Okay. So of course you can, like I said, you can do better. 2 for soil, and then fossil fuels 3, like that. And then ocean is 4, like that. All right, so and then after doing that, you are going to do the same way for today, and then you are going to answer these questions. So that is how you complete this carbon lab. And this video tutorial is just quick and easy, and I'm very sure that you will be able to complete this without a doubt. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.